Hey guys, welcome to this full body flow. Come down onto your mat into a comfortable kneeling position. And we're going to slowly move into child's pose. So just gently walking your arms forwards and bringing your forehead down to rest on the mat. Closing your eyes, relaxing your neck and your shoulders. And just bringing all of your awareness down onto your mat, into the present moment. Begin to become aware of the breath. Breathing nice and slow and deep, all the way down into the belly. Exhaling, fully emptying your lungs. And just giving yourself permission to let go of the world outside. Take a moment to set your intention, your reason for being on your mat today. And then slowly make your way up to tabletop. Bringing your hands and wrists below your shoulders, knees below your hips. And we're just going to start off with a few cat-cows. So gently drop your belly, roll your shoulders back and down, and lift through the nose as you inhale, arching the back. And as you exhale, begin to round your spine, tucking your tailbone, tucking your chin, and pushing away from the ground with your hands. Inhale, arching, dropping the belly, rolling the shoulders back, lifting your nose. And exhale as you round. Tuck your chin, tuck your tailbone, press away from the ground with the hands. One more time, nice slow deep breath in, drop the belly, lifting the nose. And exhaling as you round. Coming to a flat back. And then gently releasing down onto your forearms. Elbows aligned with your shoulders, hands and wrists in line with your elbows. And just gently walking your knees back a little bit as you begin to drop your heart down towards the mat for puppy pose, releasing your forehead onto the ground. So nice shoulder opener here. Just allowing your heart to drop down, keeping a little bit of an arch in the lower back. Drawing the belly button in. And breathing nice and slow and deep into the shoulders, into the upper back. Gazing forwards as you inhale. Exhale softly onto your belly. Roll your shoulders back. Begin to squeeze your elbows into your body like you're trying to drag yourself across the floor for Sphinx pose. Lifting through the heart. Holding for 5. Breathe deep. 4. Actively push the hips down into the ground. 3, 2, 1. Gentle release all the way down to the belly. Bringing your hands to your rib cage. Roll your shoulders back. Squeeze the elbows into the body. Inhaling up for cobra. Exhale as you release. 2 more. Inhaling up. Elbows into the body. Exhaling to release. Last one. Inhale up. And as you exhale, make your way into downward dog, inverted V. Hips up and back, feet hip distance apart. And take a moment here to just gently pedal your feet. Checking in with the calves, checking in with the ankles, the shoulders and the neck. Maybe giving your head a gentle shake, yes and no. Staying connected to the present moment. Right here, right now. On your next inhale, lift your right leg all the way up, three-legged down dog. And then exhale, step your right foot forwards. Coming up nice and slowly, high crescent lunge, arms reach. Take a slow deep breath in, lift through your heart. As you exhale, slowly fold, stepping to front. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen your spine, draw the belly button in. And exhale, bend your knees, folded forwards, relax the head and neck. And take a moment here to just breathe. Maybe shrugging the shoulders gently. Weight forwards to the balls of your feet. So be aware of sitting back on your heels here. Really try to shift that weight forwards. On your next inhale, roll your spine all the way up to standing. And as you exhale, roll the shoulders back and down, mountain pose. Take a nice slow deep breath in, reaching all the way up. Belly draws in, exhale, fold it forwards. Halfway lift, inhale, lengthen, draw the belly in. Exhale to fold and step your right foot back. Come up with control and strength, high crescent lunge. Draw the thumbs back, open your chest. And then gently fold, planting your hands, step it back to plank, inhale. Exhale down to the belly. 3 breaths, cobra to inhale, elbows into the body, shoulders down. Exhale as you release. 2 more, inhale up. Exhale to release. Last one, inhale. And this time exhale, hips up and back, child's pose. Release your forehead down to the ground. Soften in your shoulders. Gently slide your right arm underneath your left armpit, threading the needle. Bring your right shoulder down to the ground and the right side of your head or your right temple onto the ground. Breathing nice and deeply into your right shoulder for 5, 4, stay present with your breath. 3, 2, 1. Good job, guys. Gentle unravel back to center. And then slowly sliding your left arm underneath the right armpit, threading the needle, bringing your left shoulder down and the left temple or side of the head down. Breathing slow and deep into your left shoulder for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, guys. Gentle unravel back to center. Breathing nice and slow and deep. On your next inhale, roll the spine up to tabletop. And as you exhale, tuck your toes and send the hips up and back. Downward dog. Right leg slowly lifts as you inhale, three-legged down dog. And then exhale, bring your knee to your nose, shoulders over your wrists. Inhale as you come up and back, three-legged down dog. And then exhale, stepping your right foot forwards. Come up, high crescent lunge, push into your front foot. Hands come together in prayer at the chest. Find a focal point that you can keep your eyes on for balance. Roll the shoulders back, draw the belly in. And then slowly make your way to tree. Left foot to your calf or upper thigh. Never on the knee joint, guys. See if you can roll the shoulders back. Lift through your heart. Focus on breathing slow and deep. Activating the standing leg. Gentle squeeze of your right glute. Stay present. Good job, guys. Gentle release to standing. Inhale to reach all the way up. And then exhale, folding it forwards. Halfway lift as you inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale as you fold, relax your head and neck. One more time, inhale, halfway lift, lengthen. Exhale, fold, planting your hands. Inhale, step it back to plank. Exhale, hips up and back, downward dog. Left leg slowly lifts, inhaling. Three-legged down dog. Exhale, knee to nose, shoulders come over wrists. Inhale, up and back, three-legged down dog. And then exhale, stepping it forwards. Coming up, high crescent lunge. Take your time. Breathe. Find your focal point. Slowly bring hands together in prayer at the chest. Roll the shoulders back, draw the belly button in. Into tree pose, right foot to the calf or upper thigh. Never on the knee joint. Lifting up through the heart, shoulders back. Breathe. Gentle activation of your left glute. Draw the belly button in. And stay present with your breath. Nice and slowly release to standing. Take a deep breath in to reach up. And a deep breath out to fold it forwards. Halfway lift, inhale and lengthen. Exhale as you fold, stepping your feet back. Releasing your knees. Make your way to seated. And slowly down onto your backs. Rolling it down. Bringing your feet about mat distance apart. Arms reach to the sides. And then gentle drop of your knees to the right. Just holding and breathing here, a gentle spinal twist. Slowly to center and over to the left. Gently moving side to side, just windscreen wipering your knees. Coming to stillness at center, bring your knees to your chest. Give yourself a nice big hug. And then gently release your head and neck down. Followed by one leg at a time. Coming down into Shavasana or corpse pose. Relax your legs. Arms a little bit away from your body. Palms face up, eyes closed. And then just take a moment to completely relax your body down. Breathing nice and slow and deep. Just allowing all of your attention to rest with your breath. Allowing each breath to relax you down deeper. Gently wriggling your fingers and your toes. Bending the knees. Rolling it over to whichever side feels best for you. And then gently making your way up to seated. Legs crossed. Hands together in prayer at the chest, eyes closed. Honoring your intention. And your reason for being on your mat today. Namaste.